thank you to Yolandi for nominating me to do the hashtag virtual CUPPA for cancer. So I'm going to do pizza in a mug, and all you need is flour. The exact ingredients will be in the link below. Some bell carb, some baking powder and some salt. And then you have some milk, which you just pop in there. And a little bit of olive oil. About a teaspoon. And then you just whisk that up. Then on top of that, you can use either your marinara sauce. So you just put a layer of that on. And then top it off with mozzarella. We're out of mozzarella in the lockdown. So I've just got some cheddar. Put that in there. And I've got some chorizo sausage, which you can use ham or whatever you want. And that's it. You just pop that in the microwave for 70 seconds and then you've got pizza in the cup. So while we're waiting for the 70 seconds for that to cook, I always like to do a few exercises while I'm waiting for the food to cook. So I find that tins work fantastically for a few arm exercises. You also can do some lunges. So while it's busy cooking, that's what I'm going to be doing. Whew, 70 seconds is quite long. So yes, always doing fitness and keeping nice and firm while I'm waiting for the cooking. I can hear the microwave. Let me go and see how our pizza in a cup turned out. And there you have it, pizza in a cup. So the whole point of the hashtag virtual CUPPA for cancer is to raise very much needed funds for the Cancer Association. So I'm going to do my donation now on Quicket. The link is in the feature below. And I'm going to nominate Vanessa Lester and Di Thompson from Demunzi Perfumes to also do their hashtag virtual CUPPA for cancer challenge. I can't wait to see what they come up with.